The competition between Tesla and Chinese-owned BYD just got a bit hotter. BYD has unveiled its new charging system dubbed the Super E platform.
The electric vehicle revolution is about to get a whole lot crazier. Tesla has been the undisputed leader of the EV world, but there's a new player that could knock Elon Musk off his throne. BYD, the Chinese electric vehicle giant, has just dropped a bombshell announcement. And it's not just making waves. It's setting the stage for a global earthquake in the automotive industry. With their cutting-edge battery tech, lightning-fast charging, and EVs priced so low that Tesla should be sweating, BYD is ready to shake the entire EV industry to its core. Are you ready for what's coming next? Strap in, because this is the future of driving, and it's all electric. The shockwaves of BYD's announcement. BYD's announcement sent shockwaves through the global automotive industry, and it wasn't just another industry rumor. This was a claim that could disrupt the very fabric of electric vehicle manufacturing as we know it. In a groundbreaking statement, BYD's CEO claimed that the company could charge an electric vehicle almost as quickly as filling up a gas car. At first glance, it might seem like an exaggeration, but the implications are immense. If BYD can pull off this level of charging efficiency, they may have just shifted the EV conversation for good. Tesla has led the electric vehicle revolution, but this new technology from China could change the game. For years, Tesla has dominated the electric vehicle industry, flaunting its supercharger network and high-performance cars. But now, BYD, a relatively quiet but powerful competitor, is making waves. Their vehicles not only boast an impressive range and performance, but are priced at levels that are making other automakers nervous. While many car companies are still catching up to Tesla's electric innovation, BYD is rolling out vehicles that might just surpass them in terms of price, performance, and, most importantly, innovation. Can BYD's new tech be the beginning of a massive shakeup in the EV world? Stay tuned, because what's coming next could be a game changer. The reason BYD's claim has so much potential is that charging speed has long been one of the biggest challenges in the EV industry. One of the major reasons why electric vehicles have not reached mass adoption is the time it takes to recharge them. While gas-powered cars can be refueled in minutes, the process of recharging an EV still takes far longer. If BYD truly has a system that can deliver ultra-fast charging times, it could close the gap and make EVs a more viable option for the masses. This new development from BYD is already sparking heated debates in the industry. Can their innovation truly take down the giants of the electric car market? The impact of fast-charging EVs goes beyond convenience. It could be the catalyst that accelerates the global transition to electric mobility. Imagine a world where charging your EV is as easy as stopping at a gas station. This would remove one of the biggest obstacles that has traditionally held EV adoption back. It's not just about convenience, it's about practicality. Faster charging times could lead to faster adoption of electric vehicles in places that are currently lagging behind in EV infrastructure. But will this new development force Tesla and other automakers to play catch-up, or will they find a way to catch up? As the electric vehicle race heats up, BYD's next move could be the one that tips the balance in their favor. In a market dominated by a few key players, a fast-charging system could give BYD an undeniable edge. However, they're not just stopping at technology. They are coming for the competition on price as well. Tesla's EVs are known for their performance, but they come with a hefty price tag. BYD's strategy has always been about providing high-performance vehicles at affordable prices. By combining cutting-edge technology, cost-effective production, they're positioning themselves as a serious threat to Tesla's crown. Right now, Tesla has a strong foothold, particularly in North America and Europe, where they've established a loyal customer base. But with BYD's entry into these markets, things could change. The Chinese automaker is already dominating its home turf and has been quietly expanding into other markets, making significant inroads in Europe and Southeast Asia. Will they succeed in making a name for themselves in these competitive territories? Or will they be stopped by trade barriers and established competition? So the question remains, can BYD truly live up to its promises? With their impressive charging technology, strategic pricing, and cutting-edge innovations, they have the potential to rock the EV world. But can they overcome the challenges of entering markets dominated by Tesla and other established players? Time will tell, but one thing is for sure, BYD isn't playing around. Will this be the moment that Tesla starts to lose its grip? Or will BYD's bold claims turn out to be just another failed attempt at disruption? BYD's Origins and meteoric rise. BYD's story isn't just one of innovation, it's one of vision, resilience, and smart strategy. Founded in 1995 by Wang Chuanfu, a chemist with a big idea and little money, the company started as a small battery manufacturer in Shenzhen, China. With only $300,000 in seed capital and a team of just 20, Wang took a huge risk. But he saw an opportunity. While mobile phones were gaining popularity, they all needed batteries, and Wang was determined to fill that gap. This early focus on battery technology was a critical piece of BYD's future success. The company's first breakthrough came when they turned their focus to electric vehicles. Unlike traditional automakers who relied on third-party suppliers for their components, BYD integrated every part of the process under one roof. From the production of batteries to the assembly of the cars, BYD did it all. This self-sufficiency not only cut costs, but also allowed the company to innovate at a pace faster than most of its competitors. In 2003, BYD entered the automobile market by acquiring Xi'an Qinchuan Automobile Company, a move that would set them on the path to becoming a global leader in electric vehicles. But it wasn't just luck that led to BYD's success, it was timing. In 2008, a major turning point came when Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway invested $230 million in BYD, acquiring a 9.9% stake in the company. This wasn't just a financial boost, it was a powerful endorsement from one of the world's most respected investors. Buffett's backing put BYD on the map in the global business world. With this newfound capital, BYD pivoted toward producing electric and hybrid cars. They quickly launched the world's first mass-produced plug-in hybrid vehicle, the BYD F3DM, which was a significant milestone in the company's rise to prominence. This marked the beginning of BYD's dominance in the electric vehicle market. As traditional automakers were still grappling with the shift toward electric mobility, BYD dove in headfirst, embracing electric technology while its competitors were still clinging to internal combustion engines. This bold move paid off. While companies like GM, Ford, and Toyota were still figuring out their electric vehicle strategies, BYD was already ahead of the curve. By 2020, BYD had overtaken some of the world's biggest names in terms of global EV sales. What's even more remarkable is how BYD continues to innovate. They're not just content with building electric sedans and SUVs. They've expanded their reach into electric buses, trucks, and energy storage systems. BYD's diversification strategy has allowed them to dominate not only the passenger vehicle market, but also the commercial vehicle and energy sectors. This forward-thinking approach has allowed BYD to remain ahead of the curve in an ever-evolving industry. The company's growth has been nothing short of meteoric, and they've already established a significant presence in markets like China, Europe, and Southeast Asia. Their battery technology, a key element of their success, has consistently set new industry standards for safety, performance, and cost efficiency. BYD's ability to control every part of the manufacturing process, from battery production to vehicle assembly, gives them a major advantage over companies that rely on third-party suppliers. This vertical integration is a cornerstone of their success, enabling BYD to cut costs and innovate faster than many of its competitors. The question now is how much further BYD can push the envelope. With their continued focus on cutting-edge technology and cost-effective production, they have the potential to dominate the global electric vehicle market. But the competition is fierce, and companies like Tesla, Volkswagen, and Toyota aren't going down without a fight. Will BYD continue to lead the charge in electric mobility, or will the giants of the industry find a way to push back? What will be the next move for BYD? Could they potentially dominate the EV market globally, or will competitors catch up with their advanced technology and innovative solutions? BYD's dominance in China and expansion beyond. BYD's rise to prominence has been nothing short of spectacular, especially in its home market of China. As the world's largest electric vehicle (EV) market, China has been a critical battleground for automakers hoping to capture the growing demand for clean energy vehicles. But BYD's success in China is a story of more than just local dominance. The company's strategy to align with the Chinese government's green energy initiatives has propelled them to the forefront of the EV revolution. China's subsidies for electric vehicles, along with its support for local manufacturers, have provided BYD with the perfect platform to launch its global expansion. But BYD didn't just ride the coattails of government support. They also capitalized on their ability to innovate at a pace that traditional automakers couldn't match. By producing affordable yet high-performance EVs, BYD attracted a broad customer base in China. Their fleet of electric vehicles, ranging from sedans to buses to trucks, has consistently outperformed expectations. In fact, BYD has become the largest EV maker in China, and their dominance in the domestic market has set them up for global success. What sets BYD apart from other Chinese EV manufacturers is their ability to maintain an aggressive global expansion strategy. They've already made significant strides in Europe, Southeast Asia, and Latin America. With their affordability, innovative technology, and high-performance vehicles, BYD is making waves across the globe. While many companies are still struggling to tap into the Chinese market, BYD has become a formidable force that's now challenging Tesla in key international markets. In Europe, where environmental regulations are becoming stricter, BYD's vehicles are being well received due to their green credentials. European consumers are increasingly turning to electric vehicles, and BYD's affordable options are filling a critical gap in the market. Their recent launch of the BYD Tang in Norway has proven to be a hit with consumers, showing that BYD's vehicles can compete with the best in the market in terms of both price and performance. With more European countries adopting strict emission standards, BYD is poised to continue gaining traction across the continent. The company's global ambitions don't stop in Europe. BYD is actively working to expand its presence in Latin America and Southeast Asia as well. In fact, BYD has already secured significant market share in countries like Brazil and India, where the demand for electric vehicles is growing rapidly. Their affordable pricing strategy has been a key factor in their success in these regions, where price sensitivity is high. By offering high-quality EVs at lower prices than many competitors, BYD is positioning itself as the go-to choice for consumers looking for value without compromising on performance. In the US, BYD is making inroads through their commercial vehicle division, specifically with electric buses and trucks. BYD's commercial vehicles have already made a significant impact in North America, with the company's electric buses being deployed in cities across the US and Canada. This move into commercial vehicles is a smart strategy, as it allows BYD to gain a foothold in the US market without facing the same challenges that traditional passenger vehicles face. And as more cities and transit systems look to reduce emissions, BYD's electric buses are likely to become an integral part of the solution. While many car manufacturers are focused solely on passenger vehicles, BYD's diversification into commercial electric vehicles has given them a competitive edge. By entering both the consumer and commercial markets, BYD is capturing a wide range of customers and establishing itself as a leader in the global EV industry. But with other automakers now focusing on electrifying their fleets, will BYD be able to maintain its dominance in both markets? The expansion of BYD into these diverse markets is a testament to their innovative approach and ability to adapt to global trends. However, as they continue to expand, BYD will face increasing competition from both established automakers and new entrants into the EV market. Will BYD continue to be a global leader, or will the competition catch up? Innovation at the core. The Blade Battery Revolution. One of BYD's most significant innovations is its Blade battery, which is changing the way the world thinks about electric vehicles. While traditional EV manufacturers rely on nickel-based lithium-ion batteries, BYD has taken a different approach by using lithium iron phosphate (LFP) technology. This shift in battery technology has not only given BYD an edge in terms of cost efficiency, but has also made their vehicles safer and more reliable than many competitors. The Blade battery is a breakthrough in terms of safety and efficiency. Unlike traditional lithium-ion batteries, which are packed tightly together and are prone to overheating or catching fire, BYD's Blade battery features long, thin cells that spread out heat much more effectively. This clever design reduces the risk of thermal runaway, making the batteries much safer for consumers. In fact, the Blade battery has passed some of the toughest safety tests, including a nail penetration test, where the battery didn't even spark or catch fire. This level of safety is a game changer in the EV world, where battery fires have been a concern for many consumers. But safety isn't the only benefit of the Blade battery. It also brings more efficiency and longer-lasting performance. LFP batteries are known for their stability and longer life cycles compared to traditional nickel-based batteries. While many EV manufacturers rely on batteries that degrade over time, the Blade battery maintains its capacity for much longer, offering consumers a better value in the long run. This extended battery life is an essential factor as EVs become more mainstream and consumers look for vehicles that can last longer without needing a battery replacement. What's more, BYD has mastered the art of keeping costs down while delivering high-quality, durable batteries. LFP batteries are cheaper to produce than their nickel-based counterparts, and since BYD manufactures everything in-house, they can avoid the cost and supply chain issues that other manufacturers face. This efficiency allows BYD to sell their EVs at much lower prices than competitors like Tesla, making their vehicles an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers who don't want to compromise on quality or performance. The Blade battery has already found its way into many of BYD's top models, including the BYD Tang, the BYD Han, and the BYD Song. These vehicles are quickly gaining recognition for their performance, safety, and longevity, all thanks to the Blade battery. As BYD continues to push its battery technology, they're setting the bar high for other automakers. The question is, can traditional car manufacturers catch up with BYD's battery technology? Or will the Blade battery continue to give BYD the edge in the EV race? With their innovative battery technology, BYD is not just leading the charge in electric vehicles, they're setting a new standard for the entire industry. As the demand for electric vehicles grows, the need for safer, more efficient batteries will only increase. BYD's Blade battery may be the key to the company's future success, but how will other automakers respond to this challenge? Will they follow BYD's lead and shift to LFP batteries, or will they stick with their traditional battery technology? One thing is clear, BYD is revolutionizing the way we think about EV batteries. As the Blade battery continues to power their vehicles, BYD is positioning itself as a leader not just in electric vehicles, but in the future of battery technology. As the EV market grows and evolves, BYD's innovations in battery tech will play a significant role in shaping the future of transportation. Will BYD's Blade battery continue to set the standard for the industry, or will new technologies emerge to challenge their dominance? The Super DM hybrid technology, BYD's secret weapon. BYD's Super DM dual-mode plug-in hybrid technology is another powerful tool in the company's arsenal. The Super DM system blends electric and gasoline power, offering the best of both worlds. With a 1.5-litre engine that delivers an incredible 43.04% thermal efficiency, BYD's hybrid system ensures that every drop of fuel goes further than traditional hybrids. This impressive efficiency not only improves gas mileage, but also reduces emissions, making it a standout option for eco-conscious drivers who still need the practicality of a hybrid. What sets the Super DM apart from other hybrid systems is its smart ability to switch seamlessly between electric and gasoline power depending on driving conditions. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, the Super DM system ensures that you're always getting the best balance of power and fuel efficiency. Unlike older hybrid systems that rely heavily on gasoline, BYD's system puts electric power front and center, reducing fuel consumption even more. This makes it an ideal choice for consumers looking for a hybrid that doesn't compromise on performance. Take the BYD Song Plus DMI, for example. This hybrid SUV sips just 6 litres of fuel per 100 kilometers, which is outstanding for a vehicle of its size. The Song Plus DMI offers long-range electric driving without sacrificing power or performance. It also provides a smooth, responsive ride, making it a top contender in the hybrid SUV market. This blend of power, efficiency, and affordability makes the Super DM system a game-changer in the hybrid world. By making hybrid technology more efficient and cost-effective, BYD is making it possible for more consumers to transition to electric driving without the range anxiety that comes with fully electric vehicles. Hybrid vehicles offer the flexibility of long-range driving while still providing the benefits of electric power. And BYD's Super DM technology is pushing the envelope even further. As more consumers seek out cleaner alternatives to traditional gasoline vehicles, BYD's hybrid lineup is poised to capture a large share of the market. With the increasing popularity of hybrid vehicles, especially in markets where charging infrastructure is still developing, BYD's hybrid offerings are becoming a crucial part of their strategy. While other automakers are still trying to perfect their hybrid systems, BYD is already leading the way. Their Super DM system is setting new standards for hybrid performance and efficiency, giving them an edge in the competitive global market. So, the question is, will BYD's hybrids be the go-to choice for consumers looking to make the switch to electric driving? Or will other companies catch up with their innovative technology? As the race for electric and hybrid supremacy intensifies, BYD is showing that they are not just a player in the game, they're a force to be reckoned with. What will come next in their hybrid revolution, and how will their competitors respond? BYD's global expansion strategy. Taking on the world. BYD's global expansion has been a calculated and well-executed strategy that is now paying off in a big way. The company has not only dominated the Chinese EV market, but is now turning its attention to global domination. With the rise of demand for electric vehicles, particularly in Europe and North America, BYD has made aggressive moves to capture new markets. Their focus on affordability, technology, and innovation has positioned them as the perfect competitor to established brands like Tesla, GM, and Volkswagen. But how has BYD managed to break through the barriers and take on the world? A significant part of BYD's global expansion is their ability to navigate through the complex web of trade, regulations, and tariffs. The company has been smart about its moves, setting up factories in key regions to avoid hefty import taxes. For instance, BYD has already established manufacturing facilities in Mexico to serve the North American market. This strategic move allows them to sidestep tariffs that might have otherwise crippled their ability to compete in the region. With this clever workaround, BYD is able to offer affordable, high-tech EVs without facing the same supply chain issues that other car manufacturers struggle with. In Europe, BYD has been making a name for itself with a strong push into the electric bus market. The company has been supplying several European countries with its all-electric buses, making significant headway in the commercial vehicle sector. But BYD is not stopping there. They are also bringing their electric cars to the European market, where governments are increasingly focusing on stricter emissions standards. This move is a direct challenge to the likes of Volkswagen, Renault, and other European automakers that have long dominated the region. By offering affordable, eco-friendly vehicles, BYD is setting itself up as a strong contender in a market that's ripe for disruption. In Latin America, BYD has also made waves, offering affordable EV options in markets like Brazil, Argentina, and Chile. This region is not traditionally known for its high demand for electric vehicles, but BYD has seen tremendous success with its cost-effective EVs and hybrids. The company's ability to build cars with low production costs while still offering impressive performance has allowed them to capture market share that others haven't been able to reach. As BYD continues to expand into these emerging markets, their presence is expected to grow exponentially. Southeast Asia has also been a major target for BYD's global ambitions. With rising demand for clean energy solutions in countries like Indonesia and Thailand, BYD's affordable EVs are seen as a perfect fit for the region. The company's strategy of offering a mix of electric and hybrid vehicles has allowed them to cater to a wide range of consumers, from those ready to switch to fully electric to those who still need the versatility of a hybrid. This adaptability is key to BYD's global success, and it's why they are quickly becoming a household name in EVs across the globe. With this strong global push, BYD is well on its way to becoming the world's leading electric vehicle manufacturer. While Tesla has long dominated the electric car space, BYD's ability to offer a wider range of vehicles at more affordable prices gives them a unique advantage. The company's global expansion is not just about selling cars. It's about building a comprehensive global network that spans everything from commercial vehicles to energy storage solutions. This strategic diversification sets BYD apart from the competition, making it a force to be reckoned with on the global stage. But as BYD continues to expand, it faces new challenges. The global EV market is becoming more competitive by the day, and established brands are ramping up their efforts to catch up to BYD's success. Will BYD's aggressive expansion strategy continue to pay off, or will they be overtaken by the competition? The race for EV dominance is on, and BYD is in the thick of it, charging forward with relentless determination. As the world shifts toward electric vehicles, BYD's global ambitions will shape the future of transportation. The next few years will be critical for the company as it continues to break into new markets and solidify its place as a leader in the global EV space. BYD vs. Tesla, the battle for EV supremacy. The showdown between BYD and Tesla has become one of the most exciting rivalries in the automotive industry. While Tesla has long been considered the leader in electric vehicles, BYD is hot on its heels, challenging Tesla's dominance in ways that are reshaping the EV landscape. The competition between these two giants isn't just about who can sell the most cars, it's about who can lead the charge in innovation, affordability, and global expansion. As the stakes grow higher, the question remains, can BYD overtake Tesla and become the new king of EVs? One of the key differences between BYD and Tesla is their approach to the market. Tesla has positioned itself as a premium EV brand, catering to consumers who are willing to pay a premium for top-tier performance, cutting-edge technology, and luxurious features. Tesla's vehicles, such as the Model S and Model X, have become symbols of success and innovation. But with prices often ranging from $50,000 to $100,000, Tesla's vehicles are out of reach for many potential buyers. Enter BYD, a company that has managed to achieve high-quality electric cars at a fraction of the cost of Tesla's offerings. BYD's approach to affordability has proven to be a winning formula. The company's vehicles, including the Dolphin and Seal, are priced well below Tesla's Model 3 and Model Y, making them accessible to a much broader audience. This strategy has allowed BYD to outsell Tesla in key markets, particularly in China, where Tesla has traditionally been the dominant player. By offering affordable electric vehicles with impressive range and performance, BYD is quickly gaining a significant market share in the EV space. However, Tesla's advantage lies in its brand recognition and its technological leadership. Tesla's supercharger network, autopilot system, and high-performance electric powertrains are some of the key selling points that have helped the company maintain its edge. Tesla has also been able to establish itself as a leader in terms of innovation, with the company constantly pushing the envelope in areas such as battery technology and self-driving capabilities. This technological edge has allowed Tesla to command a premium price for its vehicles and has created a loyal following of fans and investors. But while Tesla's focus on high-end vehicles has earned it a strong reputation, it has also limited its ability to tap into mass-market consumers. By focusing on premium vehicles, Tesla has missed out on the opportunity to dominate the entry-level EV market, where BYD has flourished. With the increasing demand for affordable electric vehicles, BYD is well positioned to capture the attention of budget-conscious consumers who still want the benefits of an electric car without breaking the bank. As BYD continues to expand its offerings and ramp up production, it's clear that the company is ready to challenge Tesla for the top spot in the global EV market. The competition between BYD and Tesla isn't just limited to consumer vehicles. As mentioned earlier, BYD's foray into the commercial EV market has given them an advantage that Tesla doesn't yet have. While Tesla has focused primarily on passenger vehicles, BYD has been making significant inroads in the electric bus and truck market. With a wide range of commercial vehicles already on the road, BYD is diversifying its revenue streams and positioning itself as a key player in the future of transportation. In contrast, Tesla has yet to fully break into the commercial vehicle space, leaving BYD with a clear advantage in this segment. The battle between BYD and Tesla is also a global one. While Tesla has a strong presence in North America and Europe, BYD is quickly gaining traction in these regions. The company's strategy of offering affordable, high-quality vehicles that are built for mass-market consumers is resonating with buyers in both developed and emerging markets. With its focus on affordability, performance, and global expansion, BYD is poised to challenge Tesla's dominance in the global EV market in ways that were once thought impossible. So, will BYD be able to surpass Tesla and become the new leader in the electric vehicle market? Or will Tesla's technological edge and brand recognition continue to keep it ahead of the pack? One thing is certain, BYD is not backing down. The battle for EV supremacy is far from over, and it will be fascinating to watch as these two companies continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in the world of electric vehicles. The competition between Tesla and BYD is heating up, and the next few years will decide who leads the future of electric vehicles. As technology advances and new markets open up, BYD's strategy of affordability, versatility, and sustainability gives it a significant edge. Will Tesla maintain its lead, or will BYD's innovative approach revolutionize the industry? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain, the race for EV supremacy is far from over. Stay tuned as we continue to track this electrifying battle.